Okay. Hi beautiful people, welcome to another video. My name is Gabriela. I'm going to show you today how to do this glam makeup or natural makeup under 5 minutes. If you like the video, please like it and let me know in the comments if you have done your makeup in less than 5 minutes, because I would love to know. If you have any questions, please also ask. I will be more than happy to answer. All the products that I've used down below. Let's get cracking, let's get cracking, let's get cracking. This is my hydrating cream. It's SPF, rose ingredients. I do really love it. I have mixed to oily skin. So I think it's essential to put anyways any type of skin a bit of moisturizer before you put your foundation. The foundation that I use is Bourjois Healthy Mix. It has different vitamins and I do really like if you can add some vitamins on your face, always needed. I do put it with my fingers because I think it blends much better with the warmth of my fingers and it also gives me a better finish, I would say. So yeah, blend it in your neck so you don't look like you have a mask. Erase concealer from Maybelline. I really like this applicator. I think it feels soft and it just distributes well the product. I put it under my eyes, above my lips, chin and forehead to give a bit of extra light and also extra coverage, as because I'm oily, it is also the parts of my body where the makeup goes faster off. So yeah, blend it, dab and good to go. Next step, NARS concealer. It's a thicker concealer that I use to conceal my spots. As you can see, I use a concealer brush that I bought in Sephora, and once these spots are concealed and gone, I use a powder to set all my makeup and stop looking like a disco ball, to be honest, because I do look kind of shiny and I don't really like that. So I will dab it on my face. This brush is from Isabel Arden and I do extremely love it because it's very soft. This brush is any brush, angle brush that you have. You use it for a bronzer. I do use Hoola bronzer. I think it is the most beautiful color that you can find, and I has, oh that's Leo, I have already heat pan, so as you can see, I love it. Essence is a German brand that I found in a drugstore in Spain years ago. It is great, beautiful, as you can see it shines a lot, and I love the texture of this highlighter. Browdrama Maybelline. I love this one because it does keep my eyebrows in place and it does add some color. I don't like filling it in my brows. I think it takes a long time and I think sometimes they do look too dark. This is a blush but also for your lips. Yves Saint Laurent kind of like reddish color. I do really love it because it's multi-purpose. It was a gift from my mama. And I do apply it on my cheeks, on my nose, because I like to have a bit of color kind of uniform. Everything comes together very well when I put a bit of the same color on my nose, on my cheeks, and as you can see I'm going to put it also a bit on my eyelids. And I do blend it with, if you have any other kabuki brush or foundation brush, you can diffuminate, do you say like that? A bit, so you don't look like with harsh lines. This is a brush that I bought in Sephora in last Christmas in France. I do really love it. It's a fluffy brush and I use a Bobby brown, any color that you like that is close to your skin color but a bit darker. This is a pink a bit, and then I get a shimmer, that's for defining your eye, and then the shimmery color is just to add a bit of life, I would say. Curl my lashes because I have extremely short and straight lashes, because as you can see my hair is really straight, so I need to curl them. And then I show you Sephora waterproof mascara, which is a good option if it's summer. This time of year normally I don't not use it, but this is the only mascara that I had left, so yep. Now I add a bit of color with this nail that I stole from my mom. It's number, I think it's number 6 étole, but I will write it down. thank you for watching, guys. I think I kept it under 5 minutes. I'm not completely sure, but it was not that bad, isn't it? I'll see you in my next video, guys. Ciao!